Hello, hello. One thing you should know about me, that I sit in a spray tan booth when I color my hair. I actually bought one on Amazon. And when I'm in here, I have a table covered in newspaper, newspapers all around. There's a whole floor down here. I don't know if you can see, it's insulated all the way through. Let's see, here we go. Insulated all the way through. And yeah, I'm in a spray tan booth, and this way, like, no splashes, no drips, no nothing. I mean, of course, I'm going to have cape on and all this stuff, but, you know, it's definitely time to do these roots. I'm actually going to make this color a little deeper and more vivid, and then tone the highlights a little bit, make them be a little warmer, and, yeah, I'm going from, somehow I went from dark purple with yellow highlights to this, almost like a sandy beige kind of thing. That it's okay, but it's not me. So we're going to go back to something that's a little more me. So anyway, I mean, just wanted to share this spray tan booth thing. And actually I could start doing spray tans, but I haven't gotten in. I'd have to invest in all that equipment and stuff. So but that's something I might look into for 2024. But anyway, just wanted to share. I've got a lot of makeup on from earlier, and that's probably going to be all over the place after I rinse it all out. But, you know, it's Sunday night. This is a good time to get everything done. I got to put a new set of nails on. I still have to do my toes. I'm just trying to get myself together for Thanksgiving, the holiday weekend. So anyway, hope you're having a fun night, and I'll see you next time. Bye. So now I've got the color on my hair, and we'll see how it comes out. It's like a mix of cherry red and auburn and some other colors, and I've got some toner on my highlights. Everything is probably going to be a little just redder overall, redder and warmer. And I'm into that. You can see I've got some stains here, but anyway. Well, check back when it's all done. Okay, bye. So here's the finished product. It's kind of like a burgundy red. We're still keeping with the highlights. This is like one of my favorite looks. I'm just ready to work it for the holidays. One of my favorite looks. Nice for midwinter spruce up. What do you think? Have a great day. Bye.